What is up? Seronsity here with another unboxing today. It's not big enough to be an e-bike. We're looking at an e-board, and it is from PAEAN board. I'm gonna unbox it, let you know what I think. Let's check it out.
Yeah, I'm on my own. I don't need no one. I don't.
All right, hell yeah. So I'm just gonna take out my handy dandy Saron key and rip this bad boy open. Another layer. Good thing I got the Saron key. Whoa, this thing's big. It looks really nice. This looks really nice. So it looks like sort of your standard longboard e-board, sort of like the boosted but with a hub motor. It's got the dual hub motor, which is nice. Nice big chunky soft wheels. The truck's still pretty cool. I can't really say anything until I ride it though, so I'm gonna plug it in and take that first spin. Let's check it out. Oh, it comes with a new tool. That's nice. Pretty standard with the thumb throttle. But whenever you get a new board like this, you want to plug it in before you ride. So I'm going to charge it up. Got the remote here. I'm going to turn the board on really quick. Boom. And then it's actually pretty light. I'm just exaggerating. And then turn it on here. Wow, I'm excited about this. Very quiet. It's got a nice remote. I've had an e-board in the past and you change the power mode by clicking a button, but here you change the power mode with this slider, which is actually so much easier. So I'm just starting right off in high mode. I'm not gonna start anywhere else. Me and Aaron are gonna go ride. Let's do it. Here we go, starting in high mode. I do have experience with skating. My first electric anything was an e-board. Really excited to try this out. Let's see it. All right, let's try it out. Yeah. The trucks are so loose, I feel like I'm gonna get speed wobbles going like 20. But pretty smooth ride. Nice long wheelbase. It's not too torquey. Maybe I don't have it fully charged, but the old e-board I had was incredibly torquey. It was also a dual rear motor. But this is a very nice cruise. Let's go up on the sidewalk. Aaron's being a badass filming like this. Fucking. Too fast for him. Watch out for those cracks. Blocking traffic. Alright, let's pull over. Alright, let's go up this big hill. This is a really steep hill. I hope you can tell on camera. Alright, I'm full throttle in highest power mode right here. But this is a lot to ask from a board. Aaron's coming close behind. Let's see if I can do some tricks. Ready? Oh, you get that? What board are you on? Alright, he's on a no fucking idea board and I'm on a PAEAN board. Woo! Alright, testing the brakes going down this hill. Look how slow I'm going. So this is full braking right here. Full braking. This is a very steep hill. Letting go. Now I'm braking again. Oh, it's making a noise. The old e-board I had, it would lock the wheels when you hit the brakes. This one just sort of slowly slows down. I guess that's smoother, but... Hell yeah, bro. Ready? This thing's sick. It's not too torquey. It's a very smooth ride. It slows down smoothly. It speeds up smoothly. Probably a really good beginner board. I think the one problem I had is that the trucks came too loose, so this bolt wasn't tight enough, so it starts getting wobbles at high speeds. That's probably the one thing I would do, is tighten up the trucks. Otherwise, this is a really great board. Nice wheelbase. It's got the handle. It's super light. Dual rear motor. Let's see about the flex. It's got some flex in it. It's really quick. 15 to 18 mile range, 25 miles an hour. So the speed of a class 2/class 3 e-bike with a 15 to 18 mile range, super light. So there you go. That's the PAEAN board. Check out the description to see where you can get one. As always, thank you so much for watching and stay tuned.
Yeah, I'm on my